You've heard about hypersonic missiles, stealth jets, and AI-powered drones, but today, we're diving deep, literally. Because while the world's eyes are looking to the skies, Russia is cooking up something deadly beneath the waves. That's right, Russia has officially started developing a next-generation strategic nuclear submarine, and this isn't your ordinary war machine. This is a ghost of the ocean, designed to slip past detection, strike from the shadows, and vanish before anyone knows what hit them. Russia has initiated the development of a fifth-generation nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine, aiming to surpass the capabilities of the previously conceptualized Arcturus class. This advancement was announced on March 31, 2024, by Igor Vilnet, General Director of the Rubin Design Bureau, during an extended session of the Scientific Council of the Krylov State Research Center. The Arcturus class, unveiled in 2022, was designed with features such as the Surrogate V Autonomous Underwater Vehicle (AUV) for anti-submarine warfare, equipped with sonar arrays and non-acoustic detection systems like SOKS, intended to track submarines through chemical and radiation trails. The new fifth-generation submarine is expected to incorporate and enhance these technologies, reflecting Russia's commitment to advancing its underwater military capabilities. In parallel, Russia is also developing the Leica-class Project 545 submarines, which are modular, fifth-generation, nuclear-powered multipurpose attack submarines. These vessels are designed to combine the roles of multi-purpose and strategic submarines, capable of deploying both cruise and ballistic missiles. The Leica class aims to feature a smaller displacement than current fourth-generation submarines and utilize composite materials for the outer hull, control surfaces, and propulsion systems. These developments underscore Russia's strategic focus on modernizing its submarine fleet to enhance operational versatility and stealth capabilities in response to evolving maritime security challenges. Russia has embarked on the development of fifth-generation nuclear-powered submarines, aiming to enhance its naval capabilities significantly. This initiative includes both strategic ballistic missile submarines, SSBNs, and multipurpose attack submarines. In March 2024, Igor Vilnet, General Director of the Rubin Design Bureau, announced the commencement of a new fifth-generation SSBN project intended to surpass the capabilities of the previously conceptualized Arcturus class. The Arcturus class, unveiled in 2022, featured an angled hull design for reduced detectability and was equipped with 12 missile tubes. It also incorporated the Surrogate V Autonomous Underwater Vehicle (AUV) for anti-submarine warfare. The new SSBN aims to build upon and enhance these features, reflecting Russia's commitment to advancing its underwater strategic deterrent forces. Parallel to the SSBN development, Russia is progressing with the Leica-class Project 545 submarines. These fifth-generation, nuclear-powered, modular submarines are designed to perform multiple roles, including anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare. The Leica class is expected to replace older classes such as the Aquila and Sierra. Key features include vertical launch systems, VLS, for missile deployment and the use of composite materials to reduce displacement and enhance stealth capabilities. The project is being developed by the Malakit Marine Engineering Bureau. Despite these ambitious plans, the Russian submarine industry faces significant challenges. President Vladimir Putin announced plans to build 8 nuclear multi-purpose and strategic submarines for the Navy. However, the industry is experiencing strain due to workforce shortages and supply chain issues, which could impact the timely realization of these projects. These developments underscore Russia's strategic focus on modernizing its submarine fleet to enhance operational versatility and stealth capabilities in response to evolving maritime security challenges.